Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am going to play around and create some butterfly stickers to build my stash. As part of my Build My Stash series. I will try to remember to put a link to the playlist below if you're interested in seeing any of the other projects that I've done. Now this is a sheet of label paper and I'm taking watercolor to it. It's just Koi watercolors. And it's not treated for watercolors, so it takes the color in sort of blobs or whatever. But I just thought it would be fun and figured I'd do a shape small enough that it wouldn't really matter. You don't have to have a scan and cut to create your own stickers. You can cut out a shape or use punches, which, since this isn't a full sheet, I had to try and line up my shape around the different labels, which was difficult, so I lost quite a few. But I got enough to play around with. I was getting tired of doing little teeny spots, so I got my flat brush out and started covering larger areas. And I kind of like that ripple effect. Isn't that cool? So I do 2 sheets, and the second sheet I think I just do that ripple effect because it was kind of fun. Anyway, I'm just gonna play some music and I'll pop in every once in a while, and I hope you like what you see. So do you like those ripples? I think they're kind of cool. So once I get that covered, I decide to add a few splatters because, butterflies have spots, right? So I splatter a little bit of yellow around there, and then once it's dry, there's my cuts. So I'm no expert with my scan and cut. I don't use it very often, but I didn't pre-test to see if I could make it thin enough that it wouldn't go through both the backing and the label. So they're all just individual stickers, which is okay. It's kind of fun. Now I thought I would create one with one of these blank ATC backgrounds so you can see them in use, sort of. Anyway, they're fairly simple, but I think it was a lot of fun to create them. So I'll just make a little ATC, and I'm gonna outline the edges so they show up a little bit better. And give it the antenna and the body. Trying to make sure it's sticking down. decided to take a little water to that ink, see if I could get it to blend a little bit. And when it's still wet, it'll move a little bit, not a ton. We're just gonna add a few words, and this will be super simple little card. And I'll give it a little ink around the edges, just to kind of finish it off. And then I decide, well, I still feel like it's a little plain, so I grab my tulip glitter glue, for lack of a better. It's glitter. We'll put a few glittery dots on there, and then we're done. So I hope you liked my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're not already subscribed and you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.